In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Notion. We'll walk through it using a ready-made budget template so you can see exactly where the currency setting lives and how to adjust it for your own workspace. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. From the homepage, head to the Marketplace. This is where Notion showcases templates created for common workflows, including budgeting and personal finance. In the Marketplace search bar, type Simple Budget Template. You'll see a list of budget-related options designed to help you track expenses, income, and balances without starting from scratch. Pick a template that matches your needs and click it to open the preview page. When you're ready, click Add to bring the template into your workspace. Notion will create a copy for you to edit. Once it opens, look for the main database in the template, typically a table labeled something like expenses, budget, or transactions. This is where amounts are stored and where the currency format is controlled. Find the column that holds money values, often named amount or cost. Click the column header to open its menu, then choose Edit Property. This opens the property settings for that column. Here, look for number format. Click Number Format and you'll see a list of currency options, complete with symbols and formatting. Select the currency you want to use, and Notion will immediately update the display for all values in that column. Your existing numbers won't change, only how they're presented, including the currency symbol and decimal style. A quick tip: the currency setting applies per property, not across the entire page. If your template has multiple number columns that represent money, you can repeat the same edit on each one to keep everything consistent. Another helpful note is that if you don't see currency choices, make sure you're editing a number-based property. Only number properties support currency formatting. Take a moment to review your table after making the change. Check that the symbol looks right and that the decimal places and separators are what you expect for your region. You can always return to Edit Property and tweak the number format again if you need to adjust it later. And that's it. By opening the Notion Marketplace, choosing a simple budget template, adding it to your workspace, and editing the number format inside the property settings, you can quickly set the currency that matches your needs and keep your budget clean, clear, and ready to use.